Hey guys, Omar here, and I'm making a super fast video just as a reminder that if you are traveling, to wake up before everyone wakes up. Hey guys, Omar here, and I'm here with Jimmy. It's the first day in Vancouver, and this is just a really quick video that's more like a public service announcement as I'm walking around here. The town is just waking up. If you're traveling anywhere, just really change your clock. Get up way early, and if you need to sleep late right after sundown, because the light and the lack of people here is just wonderful. You have time to think about your photography. You have time to sort of take in the town before all the tourists come out with their DSLRs. Now I'm at an advantage. I'm on East Coast time, so my eyes popped open at like 4 a.m. Look at this, there's a seagull right on the street. We're here in Gastown by the famous steam clock. It's early in the morning, but it's not first thing in the morning. Waited for a little bit of light to come out and walked around with my Fuji X-T20, because now I'm traveling and walking around with the family, and there's like tourists everywhere, there's people everywhere, but so right now I'm using the Sony a7 III just because I'm using the Fuji X-T20 for video, so kind of like a dual camera thing. And let's see the city. We're gonna start in Gastown and just walk around. The other thing to think about is the lighting is completely terrible right now. That any photograph you take is gonna have really harsh shadows and really bright highlights. It's a struggle for your camera, so another reason to go out early. But look at this lighting, how harsh it is. It's still pretty though, right babe? Mm-hmm. What is that? That's either a super sperm or a droplet of water. Oh my god, see how bad the light is? There's nothing wrong with shooting auto. In situations like this, the camera's gonna pick a low ISO, a very high or closed down aperture, and a high shutter speed. So why shoot manual? Just let the camera do everything. So for these bright snaps, like this one right here, watch. We're just gonna shoot this in full auto. It doesn't always work. I tried to take a cool picture of a woman on a bike. She had a little dog in her back basket, but the camera focused on the background, probably because it was brighter. So use auto wisely. What kind of muffin you got there?
It's a banana.
Chocolate chip banana.
Hey, the weather changes like crazy here. It was hot this morning with a lot of sun. Then it was cloudy and just warm, and now it's cold and I had to put a layer on. So we're here in Stanley Park in Vancouver, and there's this beautiful flower garden in front of us. Look at that. Let's go check it out. Could work on my flower photography. Okay, we made it to the seawall. The seawall, we got a nice view over here. There's a lot of people biking and riding. It just seems like a beautiful place to hang out and look out and contemplate life. We're gonna get some ramen because we are here in Vancouver. It's either poutine or ramen, right?
Right.
Let's do it. So we're gonna find a ramen restaurant. We just had the best ramen. Ramen Santauka. If you're ever in Vancouver, delicious. Oh my gosh, so good. Noodles. Noodles. One wonderful thing we notice about Vancouver is there's a lot of flowers. People have flowers in their house. There's flowers everywhere. And the other thing I notice, if you're an old skateboarder, you know this, there's a lot of skateboard proofing of buildings and things. Look at this. That's so the skateboarders won't slide on this stuff. And there's a lot of skateboard proofing stuff. Like, look at this. Right there. Look, skateboard proofing. Okay, so we're ending our day in Gastown. As you can see, it's crazy crowded compared to this morning. And the moral of the story is, go out early, go out alone, do your photography, and then end with family.